Hey everybody, just want to welcome you to week 1, module 1 for ME 171 Design of Elements course. This will be a remote synchronous course that will be taught through Microsoft Teams, but I will be posting some resources for you on Blackboard as well. My contact information is right here. Topics that we're going to cover in this first module for week 1 are the course information, an introduction to the course, getting started section on Blackboard. I'm going to talk briefly about the plan for remote instruction and discuss time management. This is something that's really important when we're talking about this new world of online classes and remote learning. Then I'm going to get into some of the subject matter for our textbook here and talk about the introduction to design. And a reminder here, there will be a weekly quiz. Every week we're going to have a different quiz that's going to be related to your reading sections and your online lectures. And these are going to be posted on Blackboard, multiple choice, usually 2 to 3 questions, and they'll be due by the end of the week on Friday by 4 p.m. Also, I want to note that I do have office hours scheduled for Thursday after our online lecture from 11:30 to 12:30. Now, if this time doesn't work for you, please reach out, contact me via chat and Teams or email and let me know that doesn't work, and we'll find a time that does work for both of us. So this course is going to be broken into 15 different modules, each module corresponding with a week in the semester. So this is going to be module 1 or week 1, and within each module there's going to be individual sections or lectures that are going to be broken down even further. So for this module here for week 1, we're going to do 2 different things here. The first lecture is going to be our course overview, and our second lecture is going to be our introduction to design. So overview for the week, and this will be something that's going to be posted up on Blackboard for you guys to reference to. We're going to take a look at the overview and format for this course. We're going to go through the syllabus, talk about the tentative course schedule that I have posted, go over homeworks, grading criteria, exams, and the group project. So some objectives. Upon completion of this module, you should be able to have a solid understanding of how this course is set up and how to navigate through Blackboard system, what my expectations are for this semester. You should be able to develop an appreciation for the fundamental concepts and the principles that are going to underline the design process. We're going to illustrate a manner in which to deal with the 3 broadest aspects of engineering: safety, ecological, and social significance. As far as required readings for this section, please reference to your textbook and read Chapter 1, Sections 1 through 4. So as I mentioned, these modules are going to be broken into lectures. So this will be the first lecture, or Module 1.1. And this is going to be an introduction to the course for ME 171. So again, our objectives, to summarize them, we're going to go through the syllabus, take a look at our tentative course schedule, which is going to include important dates in it, along with relating to the textbook, which sections and reading assignments. We're going to go over the homework format and grading, talk about Blackboard and how we're going to incorporate it into the course, talk about our weekly quizzes, exams for the semester, and finally we'll discuss the group project as well. Now the second lecture here, Module 1.2, this is where we're going to get into some of the subject matter related to this course here, the introduction to design, and overview of the subject. So we're going to introduce the design process, and we're going to discuss safety, ecological, and societal considerations within the design. We're going to do this by raising a couple different questions. What is the definition of design? Go through some basic definitions, talk about the safety considerations, some examples of ecological considerations, and how societal considerations come into the design process as well. Within this, we're going to do a couple different applications, go through these definitions, and again, go over the overview of the design process as we introduce this and how it's going to relate throughout the rest of the semester.